Hi there. Over the past few months, I've been on a journey to improve my typing speed, and one of the essential things you need is to be able to maximize your keyboard without having to use your mouse. And so in this video, I'm going to show you some of the keyboard shortcuts that will change your life and make your workflow way more faster. Starting off is while using a browser. If you want to open a new tab, just press Ctrl T, and to open a new window, you can also press Ctrl N. To close the tab that you are in, press Ctrl plus W, or to close the current window that you're in, hold Ctrl Shift plus W. And to restore the tab that you just closed, you can press Ctrl Shift plus T and the tab will be restored. And you can also apply this when you close your browser by accident and you open your browser again and all your tabs have been lost. You can use the same function, Ctrl Shift plus T, to restore every tab that you had open right before your browser closed. You also don't need to use a mouse for you to navigate through tabs. Just hold Ctrl plus Tab and you can easily switch through tabs. Or even better, if you want to go to a specific tab, just press Ctrl plus the number of the tab from the left side. For example, if I press Ctrl 2, it's going to take me to the second tab from the left, and this will make your workflow way faster instead of having to use a mouse. Another keyboard shortcut that you will find helpful, if you want to search for something, you really don't have to use your mouse again to highlight the search bar. All you have to do is press Ctrl L and your search bar will be highlighted and you can type whatever you want to search. Now those are some keyboard shortcuts that will help you in the browser section. Now let's look at some keyboard shortcuts that you might use in MS Word or while typing. So we'll start with the basic ones that you should know. If you want to copy text, you should hold Ctrl plus C. If you want to paste text, you can hold Ctrl plus V. And to select the whole text in the document, you can hold Ctrl plus A and everything will be selected. To make the text bold, you can hold Ctrl plus B. To make the text italic, you can press Ctrl plus I. To underline the text, you can press Ctrl plus U. And by the way, if you're finding this helpful, I would really appreciate if you leave a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorials like these and more tech reviews. And to save a document in MS Word, you can hold Ctrl plus S. And to undo an action, you can press Ctrl plus Z. And to redo the action, you can press Ctrl Shift plus Z. Now this will help you because you don't really have to navigate through the buttons where it says redo or undo. Now something interesting, if you have ever selected text and you want to delete it, you have two options. You can either press cut or you can either press the backspace and everything will be deleted. But the difference between the cut and the backspace is that when you use cut, that text that you just deleted will be copied to your clipboard, and you can do this by pressing Ctrl plus X and that text will be cut. And if you realize that was a mistake, you can just press Ctrl plus V to paste and that text will be restored, or you can just paste it wherever else. And another one that is useful is to increase the font size. You need to press Ctrl plus the right bracket, and to do the opposite is Ctrl plus the left bracket. Now you have to make sure that you have highlighted the text that you wanted for this to work, or if you want this for your next text, it will also work. Now let's look at some other useful keyboard shortcuts that are general. So if you want to use an app in split screen and you want to have two apps separately, each occupying one half, you can press Windows plus the left arrow key to make one app in split screen. Then you can head over to the other app and press the same, Windows plus the left arrow, and you can have them side by side in split screen. Also, to open the task manager, you can press Ctrl Shift plus Escape. Another one that is also a hidden feature, if you want to screen record your whole screen, you can press Windows Alt plus R and your whole screen will be recorded. Now this will help you because you now don't need to install softwares such as OBS. Now similar to that, if you want to take a screenshot on your laptop or PC, you can hold Windows plus the print screen and it will take a screenshot and it will save it automatically to the pictures section. Also, if you need to quickly lock your screen, you can press Windows plus L and it will quickly lock your screen. And another one that might also be a time saver, if you want to delete a document permanently without it having to go to the recycle bin, all you have to do is now hold Shift plus delete, then press OK, and that document will be permanently deleted, and now you don't need to go to the recycle bin for you to delete it again permanently. And so I really hope you learned something new in that video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And to watch a video of how to kick out somebody from your Wi-Fi without having to change the password, click on the video on the screen. My name is Ian Duncan. I do app tutorials and tech reviews, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.